What is up, YouTube? Max here, live life to the max. So today, or basically about a few days ago, was the last day of boxing. I've been trying to learn it for 30 days. Today is probably the last day. I believe I did not become no professional boxer or anything by learning how to box for 30 days. And if I think back and reflect on it, man, I really didn't even learn how to do a uppercut that well, or even the fundamentals. I would say I'm still a beginner. 30 days is not enough to become really, proficient at boxing. I'd say the benefits, though, cardiovascular for sure. Discipline, with the form and everything. And honestly, boxing is a great form of discipline for reals. I felt like I relieved a lot of stress punching that bag, doing shadow boxing, just because I was so focused on the form and length of the punch and everything in my body, and gave me a better control over my balance as well, and my whole body as well, because I was just so constantly thinking about boxing and how to correctly perform a punch, and my body, and my breath. So honestly, it was really fun learning how to box for the last 30 days. Although, because of my schedule and my workout plan, I had to do it every other day. I couldn't do it every day because, boxing is a form of cardio. And honestly, it felt great. I'm faster on my feet now. I feel like a martial artist, but I'm not. And I've been really picking up other skills. I feel like for my next 30 days of skills, I might go into martial arts. I don't know. I'm still going to think about something, maybe something I want to learn, because I'm really liking the martial arts, maybe taekwondo, something like that. But really, benefits of boxing, I encourage anyone out there who doesn't like normal cardio, pick up boxing. It's super fun. It is sort of like a meditation. It's sort of a form of a meditation. You get to relieve a lot of stress just punching that bag, and you will find yourself not thinking about much, because you're just so focused on striking the bag. And honestly, you might feel better. It might help you relieve stress, anger, anything like that. And really, the benefits of boxing just outweighs so much things. And I only did it for 30 days. And now I'm definitely going to keep on using it for like a warm-up. I'm probably, I honestly wasn't trying to become a professional boxer or anything, and I didn't get to spar a lot with anybody because I didn't find a partner. That's how lonely I am. But I didn't find anyone I could spar with. But other than that, boxing itself was great. It was a great skill to learn. I wouldn't say I am really good at it, but I would say that I'm a novice in it. I'm a beginner still, because I only did it for 30 days. And honestly, I wish I could continue doing it and train like a professional boxer, because I prefer that type of body anyway. But live life to the max, honestly. Greatest thing ever. Martial arts, boxing, whatever. Like, I think I might go into martial arts a little bit more for my skills, because I just want to learn some martial arts skills. But we'll see. Again, boxing was a great skill to learn for the last 30 days. I encourage you to pick it up. And honestly, it feels great. You just feel like a beast, honestly.